Hi, fourth graders. This is the homework for math. It's Module 4, Lesson 9, and if you're in Mrs. Jackson class, she assigned this today. The directions say, sketch 2 different ways to compose the given angles using 2 or more pattern blocks. Write an addition sentence to show how you compose a given angle. All right, so she modified the worksheet so you can type because we're not going to be able to draw the pattern blocks. So let's look at the examples. For point A, B, and C, form a straight line. For example, the 120-degree angle of the rhombus next to the 60-degree angle of the triangle would make 180 degrees. And so you're trying to find 2 angles that when you add them together would be a 180 degrees, or even 3 angles. So she did the rhombus with 120, so this one. And then the triangle at 60, and if I slid that triangle next to them with a 60-degree angle here, together that would be 180 degrees. And so she added 120 plus 60 is 180. So we have to figure out another 2 or 3 angles that we could add together to get to 180. And we could use the 60-degree angle of a triangle. That's 60 degrees right there. And we could use the 120-degree angle of a hexagon. And if I slid that next to it, it would look like that. So this is 60 right here. And this one is 120. And 60 plus 120 is 180. And so when we type in our box, we would say 60. I'm not sure how to make a degree sign, so I'm just going to write the word degree. Degree angle of the triangle next to the 120-degree angle of the hexagon would make, whoops, spelled hexagon wrong, would make 180 degrees. And so I could add here 60 plus 120 equals 180. And let me erase what we wrote up here since we'll have to go back and do that again. All right, and number 2. So we're making a 90-degree angle like DEF, and that's a right angle. So we need to figure out 2 shapes that we could use to put next to each other to make a 90-degree angle. So the first one I see here is a rhombus with 60 degrees. There's my 60-degree angle. And to get to 90, I would need 30 more degrees. So I could use this angle here on my skinny rhombus because that's 30 degrees. So 60 plus 30 would be 90. And if I took that and I slid it right here, my rhombus here, then my skinny rhombus here, that would be 30 degrees, and that would give me 90 degrees. And so I would say a 60-degree angle in the rhombus and next to the 30-degree angle in the skinny rhombus would make 90 degrees. And then I could type my equation, and that would be 60 plus 30 equals 90. Then we can do a different one here. Now we can't use rhombus and skinny rhombus again. So I do still need that 30-degree angle. But I need something else that's 60. So this time I could use my triangle for 60 degrees. That's my 60 degrees there. And my skinny rhombus here, and that's 30 degrees. And if I slid that together and I put it right here, that would be my 30 degrees to give me 90 because 60 plus 30 is 90. And so this time, I will use, if you ever delete something on accident, hit Control-Z and it'll come back. A 60-degree angle on the triangle next to the 30-degree angle on the skinny rhombus would make 90 degrees. And the equation is going to be exactly the same. So I would type 60 plus 30 equals 90. And I believe that should be it. Good luck.